Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Andy back with another video. So I just want to do a quick video on what I think of the new AirPods 3. I recently got this about 3 or 4 weeks ago and I've been using it ever since. I had the AirPods 2, so this basically replaced it. And basically I've been using it for about 3 or 4 weeks since I got it. I went down to Florida during vacation on it, and I just want to let you guys know what I think about it. This is basically the replacement for the AirPods 2. And the one thing I noticed is that it's very similar to AirPods Pro. I actually had the AirPod Pro when it first came out, but I actually returned it because it wasn't comfortable for me. They had these rubber inserts to your ear, and it just felt really uncomfortable for the whole day to wear them. So I returned them and just got the 2 versions. So now I bought these recently, and I'm gonna say it's probably gonna be the same. I might return them. Don't know yet, but I'm basically leaning forward to return them because there's 2 reasons why. The first reason is that they don't fit very well. As you can see here, the AirPods Pro have the tips, the rubber tips to go into your ear canal, and it's not comfortable. But these, the third version, they don't have it. But the thing is, if you just like walk, or do your daily activities, these fall out. Like at least once or twice a day, these fall out of my ear, and I'm just like walking, and I'm not really doing any physical activity, and these just like fall off because these are actually bigger than the 1 and 2 version. So that's one of the reasons why that basically prevented me from saying this is a good product. I mean, I like Apple, obviously I have an Apple Watch, I have all the products, I have the iPhones, most basically since the beginning. And these, for me, I'm really disappointed in the design. They really sound good, but as far as the fit, I'm not too liking it too much. It's just not for me. It's very similar to the Pro version. I'm sure that some people may disagree. It probably fit them fine, but for me, one thing, it keeps on like falling off my ear, and it's really annoying. And I never had a problem with the 1 or 2 with that. So I'm seriously considering to return it because of that. And the second thing that I didn't like is that you have to press the button. If you, let's say you want to skip, you have to like hit, there's a stalk here. You basically have to tap it twice. You have to like basically double tap to skip or pause the video. And for me, it's just like not good to try to like, actually press the button. I actually just like doing a double tap. What the 1s and 2, you can just do like a double tap on these, and you can skip to the next song. So I really like that about the 1 and 2 version. This one, you have to like press and squeeze the buttons on the stalk, and that, for me, I really don't like that. So those are the 2 things that made me basically reconsider returning it. And I'm really seriously considered returning it and probably getting the 2 back or something. But yeah, that's just me, but maybe other people may not experience these issues. But yeah, I just want to make a quick video on what I thought about it and what I'm gonna be doing with them. So yeah, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe to my channel. Until the next video. Thanks, bye-bye.